Air drying clay is an affordable and versatile option for artists of all skill levels, suitable for various projects like jewelry and ornaments without the need for an oven or kiln. To start, work on a clean, smooth surface and pinch off the desired amount of clay, kneading it until soft and malleable. Shape the clay using your hands or crafting tools and incorporate decorations as needed. After creating your piece, let it dry undisturbed for at least 24 hours in a cool, dry area. Thicker projects may require up to 72 hours. Once dry, you can further decorate using paints or embellishments. Choosing the right type of air-drying clay, whether paper-based for larger, lighter projects or resin-based for smaller, denser items is crucial, so consider the size, weight, and budget before purchasing. Lastly, if you have leftover clay, store it properly to avoid spoilage, and feel free to seek advice from local craft stores if you're uncertain about your project.